Hey, let me show you how you can fix that issue when your Sony WH-1000XM6 cannot connect into your PC. So first of all, just start from some simple tips. You have to make sure that your headphones are turned off. Next, make sure that you just switch off Bluetooth on your phone. And now just enter for the pairing mode one more time. So you have to just click and hold that power key when they are turned off and wait until this indicator starts blinking quickly. There we go. Now release and simply turn on Bluetooth one more time on your PC and wait for it a little bit. Click to add device on the left upper corner and select Bluetooth. Now, as you can see, in my case, everything is fine. I can try to connect them. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah, there we go, it's working. But let's say that it's still not working in your case. So you have to make sure that you are disconnected from other devices. I actually had that issue. I was actually trying to connect them into my PC, but I was connected with my phone and the dual connection was actually disabled in the application. So just go into your devices and make sure that you actually just disconnect them. You don't have to unpair them, just disconnect by turning off Bluetooth on this specific device, phone, TV, tablet, whatever you are actually using. And if it is still not working, then you can simply check if you have the latest software on your PC and the Bluetooth drivers. So how you can do this? You can go into Windows Update on the settings. And as you can see here, I've got the old version, but as you can see in my case, everything is working fine. But basically try to get the latest update. So click here to download and install, and then just restart your PC. And about updating that Bluetooth drivers, so click on the search. So we have to go into your device manager. So as you can see over here, we've got the Bluetooth. We can click on this arrow to expand and basically check if you can update your Bluetooth adapter, your Bluetooth card in your PC. So here you can find driver tab and check if it is actually available to update. As you can see, in my case, it's grayed out, so I cannot actually do this. But there's also another option. So we can try to perform a hard reset of your headphones. So how to do this? Just simply click and hold the power key to turn them off. Like so. When the indicator disappears, release power key. And now you have to use two buttons combination. You have to click and hold power key and the noise cancellation button at the same time. And just wait until this light, this indicator, starts blinking quickly and turns off. It will take probably around 10 to 15 seconds. There we go. Now keep holding, and when it disappears, release. We just restore all default settings, so we can simply click and hold that power key one more time to turn it on and enter for the pairing mode. Just like this. And additionally, you can simply try to restart your PC. So basically turn it off, turn it on, then do the same with the Bluetooth. I know it's super simple tip, but trust me, it's working for a lot of times. And then you can just simply unpair them if you were previously connected, but something was wrong. It was not working, so we can go to the Bluetooth and simply select them from available devices list. As you can see, now it's not even working in my case, but they are in the pairing mode. As you can see, the indicator is blinking, but they are not on the list. So let's do this one more time. Let's just turn it off and on. I mean the Bluetooth. Now let's try to pair them again. And as you can see, now they appears right here for the quick pairing. And they also appears on the list. So as you can see, even on this tutorial video, something stops working, but we fixed this quite simple. And this is all my tips. Let me know if it was helpful.